Today we're checking out the 2026 Toyota Camry. Now, did you know that this Toyota is actually a better buy than the Honda Accord? It's true, and we'll give you the top reasons why later on in this video. But Camry is back for 2026, all hybrid again this year, and bringing a new nightshade edition to the table. So let's get into it. Let's start with the basics. So 2026 Camry comes in 5 unique grades. All of them are hybrid, and it has a starting MSRP of just $29,000 this year. So if you want the latest Camry news, updates, don't forget to hit subscribe to get them from us. And now let's take a walk around the exterior. 2026 Camry's style is so elevated on the exterior. You're gonna get alloy wheels that come in multiple designs, colors, and sizes. We've got crisp LED lighting all over the exterior and multiple grille options, which make it super easy to customize the Camry to your liking. Other exterior features that we love, some models have these sport side rocker panels, not to mention rear sport diffuser options back here. And when you toss in this rear spoiler in the back, it lends to a totally sophisticated but sporty look. So nightshade is back for Camry for 2026. You're gonna get a blacked out exterior. We're talking badging, accents, not to mention a blacked out interior, which makes the Camry totally stand apart, not only from other Camry models, but all of its competitors. We also love that the nightshade has a sporty black rear spoiler that really pops against that paint no matter what color you choose, and 19-inch satin black alloy wheels. Now, speaking of paint colors, Camry comes in 14 different paint colors this year, including two-tone options with black roofs that look so sporty and awesome out on the road. All right, so you've seen everything on the exterior. Now I'm gonna hop in the driver's seat so we can check out the cabin together. First thing that I noticed when I get into the driver's seat of the 2026 Camry is that it is so comfortable. You've got room for up to 5 people in here, no issue. You're also gonna have options of fabric, Softex, or leather that come in multiple colors, including that beautiful cockpit red color that we love every single year. Now, some models give you the option of a power moonroof this year, so you can let the sun shine in when the days are nice. And you're also gonna have sophisticated white ambient lighting throughout the interior. You're gonna have dual zone automatic climate control, so you can keep everyone comfortable. You've got vents placed throughout the cabin. You'll also have the option of heated and ventilated front seats to stay extra comfy. Now, right here, we have our digital gauge cluster. It's gonna give you all of your important driving information, warning messages, everything that you need to know. Some models of the 2026 Camry, even though it's a hybrid, have paddle shifters mounted right on the steering wheel. Other fun, sporty interior touches that we love. So we've got these aluminum sport pedals on some models that just, take things up a notch. Coming around to the back, you've got up to 15.1 cubic feet of cargo space in the trunk, so plenty of space for all your road trip gear. So you've seen the exterior, you've seen the interior. Now we're gonna take it for a test drive so you can see how this iconic sedan handles. I've owned one in the past, and I would definitely own this particular generation. All hybrid this year, but you've got amazing fuel efficiency. You've got that hybrid system reliability. The Camry has amazing acceleration. It has really smooth handling. It's not touchy at all. Smooth braking. I mean, you've got a comfortable and quiet cabin because of that hybrid powertrain. No matter where you're going, the Camry can get you there, and you're gonna have a comfortable, quiet, enjoyable ride. So the Camry is an icon in the lineup, and with good reason. 2026 Camry is all hybrid. So you're gonna have a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine under the hood, and you're gonna get up to 232 combined horsepower. Now, 2026 Camry gets up to 51 miles per gallon combined. Not to mention, you're gonna have the tried and true reliability of Toyota's 5th generation hybrid system. 2026 Camry is stacked with technology. We're not surprised, it's a Camry. So as soon as you slide in the cabin, you're gonna see this beautiful 12.3-inch Toyota audio multimedia system. Now, this is equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto for streaming music, calls, messages, and more. You're also gonna have the option of a 9-speaker premium JBL audio system upgrade with a subwoofer and an amp. We've also got convenient Qi wireless charging right here to keep all of your devices charged up on the go. Not to mention, you've got multiple USB-C ports throughout the cabin. And we can't forget about Toyota Connected Services. You're gonna be able to have things like a Wi-Fi hotspot while you're out on the road to stay connected. Camry is decked out with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Now, this is a comprehensive suite of safety features, so you're gonna get things like road sign assist, proactive driving assist, the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, and more. And Toyota's iconic Star Safety System, as always, with features like Smart Stop technology. Now, if you're worried about dinging up your new Camry in a parking lot, don't worry, because Camrys come with a integrated backup camera that has dynamic grid lines to help you get in and out of those parking spots, no problem. Now, to cap things off, there's 8 airbags throughout the cabin with an advanced airbag system for safety, and we've got the latch system in the back seat to easily buckle in those car seats and booster seats. Tell us what you think about the 2026 Camry in the comments below. Are you gonna drive it home or not? Now, if you think you're ready to start thinking about taking one home, head over to our website, and don't forget to build your custom deal. You can start customizing monthly payments, value your trade-in, and more. Or just stop by and take it for a test drive. Toyota Orlando is open until 10 o'clock every night at 3575 Vineland Road, just off I-4 across from the mall at Millennia.